Height.
Oh, height. Saka magamay sa elevation ng flooring para wala tubig na matulog lahat.
So I'm going to talk to you here a little bit about this was originally this side of the house, right? And this was originally intended to be a rainwater cistern. We're going to catch our roof water, and we're going to water our gardens, etc. And then on this side over here. Now, this side over here is this cistern, which was our potable water, and that goes partially under here. And then this is our parking area. My foreman got a little bit. This lid was supposed to flush up with this. My foreman got a little bit nervous about that. We're parking here. You know, cars, oil, leaky, whatever, you know, not real sanitary, could conceivably run into the side to the, this is potable water. We're supposed to be drinking it. And we're going to have a top-notch filtration system in there with UV light, softener. Now he had that idea to put this bed here and raise it up a little bit so it's above. And again, this is all probably going to be paved. There's going to be a roof here to park under. It's going to go, you know, a foot from this fence. Doing some research, they advise, strongly advise, especially if it's potable water, that you not only seal the inside of this. This is a 5,000 liter cistern. Now they advise you not only seal the inside of it, you damp proof the outside of it. Seal the outside of it because negative pressure can put force upon the inside of this painted on sealant on the inside, and I imagine it would break loose some and leak, and other contaminants could get in there from the groundwater. So this being the first time I've ever done an in-ground cistern out of concrete, and it's actually been the first time I've ever done a cistern, period. And I've done well water and I've done city water, but never used a cistern. And just so you know, this cistern is going to fill up with water, and then we're going to pump it in the house because they shut the water off in the Philippines kind of regularly. But as long as we got, you know, a full 5,000 liters of water, we're going to be fine if they shut it off for even up to a day. Anyway, so what they've recommended is we excavate down so we can paint this, which we could do. Very rocky soil, but we've got a jackhammer. The thing about that though is I don't like the location of it. So long story short, I'm going to switch locations. This will now become our rainwater cistern. We can wash our cars and whatever, any kind of outside water we want to use. And we haven't got our water line run to this thing yet anyway, so we're just going to move it over to this one. Now this will be our cistern for our potted water. Now, this is only 2,000 liters, so we're going to double it and then some in size to get us to 4,000, but I really want to be at 5,000. Maybe we'll make it higher because I don't know exactly where the finished grade is going to be. But now we've got less chances of toxicity, pollutants and stuff coming in there, because this will just be landscape. And so what they'll do is we will just knock out this leg right here, excavate down. This is one side, open up this hole a little bit over here, and knock this part of the wall out, add on to it, and they can excavate it down this. It's not too deep below the grade. It certainly isn't like the other one full of concrete on top of it. And it's a solution to this issue that's been bothering me. So I think that's about where we are today. I don't know. You want to go inside and take a look around? So happy with this door. I think we'll go ahead and get a doorknob on there. At least a temporary doorknob. I haven't ordered my doorknobs yet. I'm probably going to order them from America. Let's see here. What are they working on over here? Don't know. Probably. Yeah, this is the roof overhang for our carport. That's okay. Yep. Slope bar in it. I'm not sure how far out it goes. I think it goes, hopefully we're on the same page. I think it goes about 12 inches from that fence. 12 inches from that fence. But it's nice these guys know how to weld. Always be sure to protect your eyes when welding. Look at the flame. Well, I don't know what that says. I could Google does a pretty good job when I write these phrases in here. I'll maybe if I don't get a comment about what that says, then I will Google it. You have to go. Good morning. Carmelo, come here. I'd like to know. Come here. Can you translate this for me?
That's what? Bawal ikot dire.
What does it say?
Don't sit down there.
Don't sit there.
Don't sit there because it will crack.
Yeah.
Kanto.
Yeah. Don't ever sit on any of them. Okay. Very good. Morning. Thank you. All right, Carmelo. Thank you. Yep. It's not a seat. Well, okay, let's see what's going on up here. Probably nothing new. No, nothing new. Oh, actually, we got this wall, stem wall, I would call that up. Probably going to just carry that height all the way around, I think. We'll see, I'm not sure. To visualize that, I don't know, it might look better if, yeah, I'm not sure. Well, I'll talk to my foreman. And let's take a downward look at what these guys were working on. Make sure I don't fall off the edge. Worried about my camera. Yeah, I know that goes all the way, almost to the fence. Whatever our side yard requirement is for roof overhangs. Okay, well, I appreciate you guys joining me today. Appreciate your comments. your suggestions. I like all that. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're new here, and just keep coming back. We're gonna have a house here at some point. Oh, that's looking good. Looking real good. We're just gonna put this kind of a roof on that. Okay.